Guys, now this video is gonna be about unboxing the new PLU-1 Sky Eye drone. It has a HD camera and this is very cheap actually. It just costs 200 bucks. Okay, let's start our unboxing. So now we open the box. We got its controller. This is where we can fix our phones, and then we can use the camera right here. In this controller, this is for the speed. It has 3 speed: first speed, second speed, and third speed. This is for, we can use it for flipping the drone when we are flying it. As usual, these controls are as normal. Then we have some extra additional wings, and then the manual for using it and all that, and this is for the camera. Okay, after that, this one which is just the remote. Now guys, as you can see, the latest new drone, you can see that clearly. Okay, now this is the camera where we can turn it whichever direction we want, and then we open this. We got the battery where we can use it to charge and all that stuff. So let's try to fly it. So as you can see, now I have on it. You can see this LED blinking, and then we on our controller. You can hear the sound, and then to get it ready, we must turn this up. See, the LED is blinking fast, and turn it down again. Wait until the LED stops, as you can see, or you can try moving it. If it's not, it means that the battery is low. Maybe we could try again. Okay, first we off our controller, then now we on it. Hear that sound, blinking, and then let's try.